What's up guys, today we have a casting. I'm gonna bring you guys to show you a little bit how does a casting works. I'm gonna go grab a coffee. The casting.
It's possible, try.
What is actually a casting? Casting is like a test. Clients, they make campaigns, they make e-commerce shootings. Sometimes they pre-select the models, and sometimes they do like an open casting. Everyone goes, like the whole models in the city. And sometimes they pre-select some profiles. I want a tall blonde guy with these features. All the tall blonde guys, they're gonna be there. So it's actually a test that the brands do to select the models. And to show you a little bit more, I'm gonna bring you guys to a casting today. Let's go.
First I'm gonna get ready, shave a little bit. I know I don't have much beard, but I like to feel clean, you know. I shaved yesterday, so this is how my beard grew from yesterday. Now I feel like I always mess everything up. This razor is a little bit bad already. I forgot to buy a new one. I think it looks good. Right now I just got a new haircut yesterday, so I'm gonna try if it really works. Oops. How does it look? Let's try it. So usually what I do for my hairstyle, I just dry it back, rolling back, and later I give some texture with clay. Well, I think it's dry, so now we go for the wax. Wax, no, it's like a clay. I feel it gives a good texture and also movement to the hair. I like when it has a little bit more of volume, but right now, since it's a little bit longer the hair, it's hard to keep the volume. That's it. So right now we're gonna apply some moisturizer. So this is a nail mucin, and it's really good. It keeps your skin moisturized for a long time and gives a good hydration as well. And that's it. Now we are ready. I already brushed my teeth, everything. I'm not sure if you guys can see the whole outfit, but basically I'm using like a really tight t-shirt, black, because I feel black looks good. And then just put it down here. Using some straight fit pants. This is the view from the apartment that we have here. Since it's a little bit cold, this is the final outfit. Loafers, pants, leather jacket that usually models use.
Hey guys, how are you? All good?
This is Lautaro. Lauchi, he's from Argentina. The secret for a good body.
See, lemon. This in English, I don't know.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon and ginger.
Ginger. Mas é em inglês, né? Isso que a gente falar.
Ah, what?
So guys, I'm with the boys here, Lauchi and Vini, and we are heading to the casting right now. And since it's really far, I'm gonna do an interview with them, asking some basic questions about the modeling career, and let's see what they think about it. First, I'm gonna start with Vini. So, where are you from?
From Brazil.
For how long have you been modeling?
Already almost 5 years.
Which was your first contract?
my first contract in India.
How did you actually got into the career? Like, how do you start?
Well, some people sometimes speak with my mother, give a chance. I tried once in 2016, 2020. I just start because someone say, "Oh, you can have a chance in this agency. You should try." Just say, "Come here, and we can speak." And they, in the first day, they already accept me.
And if you could give an advice for new faces that are starting, what would you say to them?
First, be humble and be chill. Wait for your time. Take your time. Be chill, but at the same time, you can work out. You can try to learn English.
Next one, he is from Argentina.
Argentina, Lauti. Guys, wait. I try my English because I started modeling only before 1 year, so I
You
try my
started-
English. I try, okay? You know, sometimes.
Don't worry, here we are open-minded. If you don't know something, you can say, which is your native language? Spanish, right?
Yeah, Spanish. Yeah.
Spanish from Argentina, boludo.
Argentina, boludo. Messi.
Always wanted to be a model, or how do you start it?
Sorry?
You always wanted to be a model, or how do you start it?
What?
Sempre quis ser modelo,
não.
ou tu como tu começou?
Very funny because I started from TikTok with one video with my girlfriend, ex-girlfriend,
Okay.
and she posted this video, and after 1 month, this video very like
Viral.
yeah.
Which was your first modeling job?
The first model job very funny, but
Yeah.
yeah, in Buenos Aires, I take a bus. Yeah, I take a bus. After that, bro, I don't know where's the shoe. And they asked me, "This is you are model?" Because I don't know the pose. I don't know, nothing. They help me.
Explain you.
Yeah, they explain me, help me. After that,
You learned it a lot.
yeah.
What advice would you give to someone that is just starting? It's like a new face.
Que si realmente querés comenzar, que no pienses, que lo hagas, porque las cosas salen realmente cuando te pones a hacerlas y le pones las ganas y esa energía que necesitan las cosas. Entonces sigan con eso, siempre sean positivos y nunca bajen. A lo que quieran que sean, ya sea modelaje, cualquier trabajo, cualquier estudio, siempre pónganle la buena onda y la buena energía. Thank you so much, Maicol.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you for
brother.
interview.
Yeah.
Dini too.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go to the casting now.
Let's go to the casting.
We just arrived on the casting. Our manager is arriving too. A little bit slowly, but they will arrive one day. Give us a
bro,
card.
I wait for you.
Don't need, it's a surprise or what?
You wanna black?
Sure, yeah, Vini also. This is our manager, Leo. The hard work manager. This is Maria. So guys, we just arrived in the casting. So guys, they choose the outfit for me for the casting. Pants. Let me try to show you. Pants is a little bit oversized, not oversized, but maybe I should. Just waiting my time right now. So basically, on the casting here, they try some clothes on, where they see the fit, how it fits, and your poses. So as I showed you, you just try to do what they ask you to do, and it's pretty easy. I mean, after you have some experience, it becomes easy. Okay. Guys, I just did the casting there right now, and I'm gonna go grab a coffee. was today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video and this kind of content, and also comment what you think about, some doubts or some questions that you have. Just let me know. Thank you so much and see you next time.